My name's Ben Mann. I'm the Principal Audiologist at Click Hearing. Tinnitus is a condition experienced by up to 10% of the population. It can be described often as a high-pitched whistle, or in other cases it can be a thudding or a drumming, a buzzing nature. There's no definitive way that tinnitus will present, but it can be quite debilitating for the sufferers of tinnitus. Tinnitus often accompanies hearing loss. Around 50% of those with hearing loss will also complain of accompanying tinnitus. Where tinnitus is accompanied by hearing loss, this will include amplification with appropriate hearing aids, or in cases where there is no hearing loss and tinnitus is present, we'll often use sound generators, which can be at ear level or include the SoundCure Serenade tinnitus device system, which is a portable device similar to an MP3 player. If you feel that you suffer from tinnitus, that is sounds that you can hear which don't appear to come from an external source, there are treatments available, and it's important that you seek help. You can ask your GP, your audiologist or ENT consultant for advice on treatments that might suit you.